This is a series of videos in which Philip Maris interviews Dr. John Ricketts, the author of the book Exceeding the Goal: Adventures in Strategy, Information Technology, Computer Software, Technical Services, and Goldrat's Theory of Constraints. In this series of videos in which you're presenting, among other things, the content of your book Exceeding the Goal, you present in that book your Horizons model. Could you explain what that is?
The Horizons model can help strategists future-proof both enterprise and technical strategies. In this model, Horizon 1 is the current business, which provides cash and profit, but typically minimal growth opportunities. Horizon 2 is fast, entrepreneurial activities with lots of growth potential. And Horizon 3 is small, embryonic ventures that seed the future business. So you can think of Horizon 1 as the current year, Horizon 2 as 2 to 5 years, Horizon 3 as 5 years plus. Although depending on the pace of an industry, those time horizons might be shorter or longer. H1 is where most operating expense goes because it sustains the business. H2 is where most investment goes because that's where the growth is. H3 often just gets what's left over. When executive sponsor tenure is shorter than H3 ventures, the H2 pipeline can run dry because H3 seems too distant to deserve funding. When that happens in a technology-dependent business, the business itself is at risk due to lack of innovation. This anti-pattern for strategy causes severe competitive disadvantage. The Horizons model applies to more than just organic growth from within. It also applies to acquisitions. Acquiring a startup at H2, its growth phase, can be a shortcut on H3, the R&D phase, because they've already completed H3. And other startups in the same space may have already failed, thereby eliminating some competition. Beware, however, that some startups have no intention, that is, insufficient resources, to mature into an H1 business. Marketing, production, and finance may all need to evolve from H2 growth to H1 stability, and that can be something that the acquirer has expertise in. Whether that makes an acquisition candidate better or worse is knowable only through due diligence. Thinking in terms of as-is versus to-be strategies is too focused on the short term. The Horizons model takes a longer-term view of strategic potential.
Okay, John, thanks a lot. I must say that the Horizons model is something that I like very much in your book, Exceeding the Goal. In the next video, we'll be talking about something completely different, which is proof of concept in IT, something which I know is close to your heart and in which you've had a lot of success.